4DRC V18 Mini Drone, fun and easy flight with altitude hold and headless mode. The 4DRC V18 Mini Drone is a fantastic entry-level quadcopter perfect for kids and beginners looking to experience the thrill of flight. Its compact size, easy-to-use features like altitude hold and headless mode, and fun 3D flips make it an excellent toy and gift. Key features: altitude hold mode. Enjoy stable and effortless flight with the altitude hold mode, allowing the drone to hover at a set height without constant throttle adjustments. This makes it easier for beginners to learn and capture steady footage. Headless mode. Simplify orientation with headless mode, which aligns the drone's controls with the direction of the remote, eliminating the need to determine the drone's front. One-button auto return. Easily bring the drone back to its takeoff point with a convenient one-button auto return function, minimizing the risk of losing it. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. Enjoy a stable and responsive connection with the 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, allowing for smooth control even when flying near other devices. For channels, provides full directional control, including ascent, descent, forward, backward, left-right flight, and 360 degrees rolls. 360 degrees rolls perform exciting aerial flips and rolls with a simple button press, adding a fun and dynamic element to your flights. LED lights, equipped with bright LED lights, making it easy to track the drone's position, especially in low light conditions. Compact and portable. The small size, 10105 cm, makes the V18 easy to carry and fly indoors or outdoors in calm conditions. Specifications. Item number: 4D V18. Material: ABS plastic and electronic components. Color: blue or yellow. Frequency: 2.4 G. Channel: 4ch. Transmitter power: 3x AAA battery. Flight time: about 10 to 12 minutes. Charging time: about 40 minutes. RC distance: 60 to 100 meters. FPV distance: 30 to 50 meters. Quadcopter size: 10 by 10 by 5 centimeters. Functions: up and down, forward and back, left or right turn, side flight, LED light, headless mode, one-button auto return, altitude hold mode, 360 degrees roll. Package included: 1 4DRC V18 Mini Drone, 1 remote control, 1 3.7V battery, 1 USB charging cable. For spare propeller blades, 1 user manual. Benefits: easy for beginners, altitude hold and headless mode make learning to fly simple. Fun stunts, perform exciting 360 degrees rolls. Safe and durable, compact size and durable materials. Good control range, enjoy flight distances of up to 100 meters. Portable and lightweight, easy to carry and fly anywhere. Overall, the 4DRC V18 Mini Drone is a fantastic choice for beginners and kids looking for a fun and easy-to-fly drone. Its altitude hold, headless mode, and 3D flip capabilities provide an enjoyable and accessible introduction to the world of RC drones.